Today I'm gonna show you best FPS settings in Roblox. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open any Roblox game like me and hit escape, move here to settings and move here first, just switch this off, go here to maximum frame rate, click on it. If you have really bad FPS, just set it 60 like me. Set camera sensitivity to low, automatic chat, switch this on and this too. Switch this off, full screen switch this off, graphic quality set this to low. Reduce motion, switch this off and this off too. After that, your game will be smoothly and you have really good FPS in Roblox. I show you bonus thing, just press Windows button and type Advanced System Settings. Just click here View Advanced System Settings, click on it, move here to Settings. Most of you have this Adjust for Best Appearance. Just switch this Adjust for Best Performance. Just leave Enable Peak and Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. And click OK. One more time OK and go back on your game and enjoy playing with good FPS your Roblox. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get best FPS in Roblox on your PC or laptop. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.